One of the biggest challenges many virtual assistants face is getting clients. And the truth is, having skills alone is not enough. You also need to do what? To know how to pitch yourself to potential clients, how to sell yourself, how to sell your skills, how to market your skills to these potential clients so they can do what? Listen to you and want to interact with you. Now, if you don't know how to communicate your value clearly, clients may ignore your messages and do what? They move on to another VA. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pitch clients as virtual assistants, the mistakes to avoid, and more like a simple structure you can use to get more responses from what? Clients. Now, what does it mean to pitch a client? First, let's understand what pitching means. A pitch is a short and clear message where you introduce yourself, your skills, explain how you can help the client, and show the value you bring to their business. Sell yourself. Tell them who you are, what you contain. Because what you contain is what will motivate them to buy you. So they need to know. You need to pitch it to them. Explain it. So it's not just about you telling the clients what you do. It's about showing them how you can solve their problem or make their work easier. Now, before pitching a client, understand the client's what? Pain point. Go to their social media handles. You will see more about them. Read through, study them, then know their business, the kind of business they do. If they work with a company, know what they do, understand them. So you're able to do what? So you're not displaying yourself as what? As a solution to their problem. It's just like you want to sell something to them. You know that they will buy they need what you want to sell, or your product or your service. Now, what do you need to tell them? You need to tell them the benefit of using what? Your product, how your product will do what? Will solve their problem. Same thing applies to you as a virtual assistant. You are a product. So you need to what? Tell your target audience how you will solve their problem, because they have a problem that you want to solve. So you need to let them know the problem they have and how you can solve the problem. And also tell them that, let them know that if they don't have you, the chances of not having you, or if they don't have you, how it will affect them and their business, So they should see reason to bring you in or to bring you on board. So now, before we talk about more how to pitch or more on how to pitch, let's look at some mistakes many virtual assistants make. First mistake is talking only about themselves. No, some VA, they write long messages about their experience but never mention the client's problem. Anything you want to sell, mention the problem of whomever you are selling to. Understand it. That is what will buy their interest into what? Listening to what you want to say or what you have in your hand to give. Another mistake is sending generic messages. Clients can easily tell when a message has been copied from somewhere and has been sent to so many people. They know generic messages. Because why? The messages are not targeted at them. So they don't see anything relating to them that is in your message. So you need to tailor your message, to fit in their. So another mistake is you not explaining the value they provide. Okay, now instead of saying, I am a virtual assistant, explain how your work will do what? Will benefit the client. People pay for benefits, not features. They pay for what? Benefits. How you'll be able to help them. That is why they will pay. That is why they'll bring out money from their pockets, to pay you. Or that is why they will want to associate with you. People make friends because of what they get. You should understand that. If I don't have anything I will benefit from you, I can't keep you as a friend. So the same thing applies to you pitching a client or you looking for a job. If they don't see need to bring you in, they would not attend to you no matter what you send to them. So now, I have a simple structure I'm going to, tell you. So you know what? Maybe you follow that step. You follow it. It will help you. So the first step you need to do as a professional, you need to start with a professional word greeting. Introduce yourself clearly. Let's say, for example, hello, my name is Isabella. I'm a virtual assistant who help businesses manage administrative tasks and customer support. Now they know what you do, right? Okay. Now the next one is show that you understand their needs. Now mention the problem that they are doing what? They are facing, or the services that they are looking for. I noticed that many business owners struggle to manage emails, schedules, and customer inquiries while doing what? Focusing on growing their businesses. That is a problem. And you are there to do what? To solve the problem. Now, explain how you can help them. This is where you show what? Your value. I help clients stay organized by managing their inbox, scheduling meetings, handling customer inquiries, and ensuring daily operations run smoothly. You have what? Preferred solution to their challenge. Now, add your experience or your proof. Mention your experience or results that you have been able to achieve in the past with previous clients. Okay? I have over 5 years of experience supporting business owners with administrative support, lead generation, and customer service. Then the last one is what? End with a call to action. What is a call to action? What will prompt them into doing what? Taking the next step to bring you in or to reach out to you. Invite the client to do what? To take the next step. Now, example, I would love to discuss how I can support your business. You are showing interest. Please let me know if you are what? Open to a quick chat. You are ready. So they know that this VA is ready to what? To start, to kickstart, is ready to support them. So what do? They send you a message. They send you a message, a formal message that they saw your what? Your email. They recognize it. So now I will still give us some places where you can do what? Pitch clients. You pitch clients on LinkedIn, on Upwork, on Fiverr, on Instagram, via email outreach, on Facebook groups, a lot of places, a lot of platforms, job platforms, a lot of, you can use social media. Even on X, you send email, you send direct message, Instagram, LinkedIn. So you pitch them on those platforms. So one last advice, for us, for you and for me, I'm still learning despite being a coach, okay, is clients are not just looking for virtual assistant, they're looking for someone who can solve their problem and make their work easier, make their operations seamless. So when you pitch, when your pitch focuses on what? On value, clarity, and professionalism, you increase your chances of getting a what? Response. So take this step, watch this video, write down all I've been saying, the tips I've given, then try it out. So if you found this video, as usual, helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to become a successful virtual assistant. That is the aim of this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.